welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be recording a highly requested video, and that is my lip combo. Whenever I post pictures or videos on my Instagram stories, you guys are always asking, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? So today I'm gonna share that tea with you and let you in on my favorite lip combo. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the video. So the lip combo that I'll be going in with today, I think it's pretty suitable for every woman of color. And these lip glosses, they're very inexpensive. They are from NYX. And each one of these costs $6, I believe. So that's a reasonable price. And I normally change my lip liner depending on how much of a light look I'm going in for, or if I want a darker look. So most of the time I use Chestnut, which is from MAC. And I also like using this metallic color, which is from Kiko, and it's a beautiful color. This is from Kiko. And I also like using Night Moth, which is also from MAC. This is a darker color, like a champagne red. And this is Jordana, and this is a regular brown pencil that I picked up at my pharmacy, and I think I'm gonna be using Jordana today. So this is the lip pencil that I'll be using for this combo. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a wipe, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna clean my lip off with this lip gloss. I have a little bit of lip gloss. So next, I'm gonna be going in with my Jordana pencil, and I'm just gonna outline my lips. The next one I'm going in with is this. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you are interested in seeing other videos like this, because I do have other lip combos, leave me comments in the description bar below and I can go ahead and film those for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.